We just ran a little job, only 50 pieces or so, but we used our new Kennametal Drill Fix Pro inserted drill, and it smashed those parts beautifully. Smash maybe isn't a great word for machinist, but you know, it sounds cool, right? I don't know, something like that. Anyways, we had previously using the inserted drill on these before, but it was undersized. It was a different brand, I don't remember which brand offhand, but we then had to open it up with a inserted end mill to get it to size. This one is actually 30 thou under as well, but it's a nominal 1.5 inches, which is good to have in our inventory. And we were able to open it up to 30 thou further than that part needed with a twin bore boring head. So real quick. So after kind of taking a look at the inserts after that first run of parts, I can see we burned down the corner of the outside insert there a little bit, the peripheral insert. Definitely we were probably running surface footage a little bit too high. I don't know offhand what that is, but Zach will put that up right there. That's what we were running it at. We were not able to run at the full 8 thou per rev that Kennametal suggests for this drill. We just didn't have the horsepower, but still a lot faster than what we were doing before. You know, as I mentioned, we were working on a weldment on this part, small weldment, nothing too fancy, but there's a seam there between the round stock and the flat stock, and you can see right there, see it hit? That is when the insert drill broke through the first piece and started cutting into the next piece, right? So puts a fair bit of torque on the drill when it does that, but handled it like a champ. I'm super pleased with it, ran great. Can't wait to do it again. These particular parts were a weldment, so it actually had to drill through 2 different plates, and it held up well. There we go, Drill Fix Pro.